What's up, everybody? I'm speaking a little quieter because we just checked into our resort and it is beautiful. I'm so excited to show you guys a little resort tour, but it's about 10 o'clock at night now, so we just left Hollywood Studios and checked into our resort and found our room, and I cannot wait to show you this room. So let's get started, but first things first, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can help support our channel. Hit that like button if you like what we're doing, and if you like the boardwalk, and hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time we release a video on Mondays and Fridays. So let's get started with this room tour at the boardwalk. So we are in 3053. This is a studio and it is gorgeous. Everything is very beachy and this gorgeous like robin's egg blue. When you first walk in, there's an awesome mirror, and this is really cool too. And this is where we're probably going to keep our suitcases. This is a great little alcove that we'll be able to keep all of this stuff. After we unpack all of our stuff, we can kind of keep everything in here and keep the suitcases out of the way. So when you first walk in, we have a little kitchenette which has our fridge here. Got that, and then we have our coffee maker with our Joffrey's coffee. Up here we have a microwave, toaster, ice bucket, and then our sink here. And then up there you have a couple little cabinets with some paper towels and a couple other things in there. And then that's the main living space, but we're gonna show you this area first. So we have the closet off to the left here. This is a pretty spacious closet actually. So it has a little door that opens, and then that is the closet. You have your safe in there, some hangers, an extra pillow and blanket, and then a little extra comforter as well. And over here we have our mirror with, I love these. These are like little bubble on the glass. And then we have our lights up there. You have your makeup mirror, which I love having a makeup mirror. We have our awesome white cabinets. This is so beachy. I just love it. It's so beachy. And then over here we have our bathroom. So we'll open that up, switch on the light there. You have the bath shower combo, the toilet, and then your towels. And I'll show you guys the shower there. We have our H2O products. As you can see, you get the refillables still. And then the shower, white tiles, and that is that. Look at these floors as well. These floors are awesome. They're like a textured wood. They're gorgeous. Love those. And here we have our living space, which we have our dresser here. Up there is where the ears are gonna go. We have our dresser here, which opens up with 4 drawers there. Pretty deep, pretty nice sized. We have our TV, which has Radio Disney playing. You guys know that we are going to switch that to Stacy here real soon. We have our little table with a couple chairs. You have a great little chair in the corner that will hold the backpacks. And we have a little coffee table, and then this is a couch, and this will pull out into a bed. So this will be an extra sleeping space if you need that. You've got a couple of really cool, these are like Jersey Shore, Eastern Seaboard beach, reminiscent of those areas out there and the beaches and all of the fairs and things that are out there. So like essentially the boardwalk and things at the Jersey Shore, obviously. Here we have our bed, little nightstand, and then the queen size bed there with a little lamp above it, another mirror. One thing I'm noticing is there's a ton of mirrors in this room, which I love. I'll just show you a little pan. So this is what you would see when you first walk in. So this is where the table and chairs were, and it actually folds out into a small trundle bed. And look at who it is. It's Dumbo. I want to sleep on this bed just because of that. But this is an extra sleeping space also, so this is pretty awesome. So you have your bed, your trundle bed, and then you also have the couch that pulls out into another bed. So lots of sleeping areas available here at the studio bases in the boardwalk. It's super spacious, it's super light, it's super airy. I love these curtains. You have like a tan and white, beautiful little floral pattern here. And now, I cannot wait to show you this. You guys, this is our, this is our Bryson. This is our balcony. This is massive. How amazing is this? You could have a party out here. And check it out, look at the fireworks. We have a fireworks view. That's amazing. You can see the beach club and I think that's the yacht club over there, and then the beach club is just to the right. And then we have a view of the courtyard here, so we could watch the movie. The movie was being played right down there when we got here. It was Tangled. But we can watch the movie from our room. That's Flying Fish right over there. You have the ESPN zone over there, and all of the Boardwalk Bakery and all of the margarita stand and all of those are over there. Right down there is the main lobby, so you can see that. You guys, I am so thrilled with this room. This is absolutely incredible. I had no idea we had a balcony like this. I am so thrilled. So that is our room here at the Boardwalk. Have you ever stayed here? Have you ever had a room like this? This is so amazing. I did not know what I was expecting, but it was certainly not this. I knew we had a garden view or a pool view, but this is epic view. Like, this is what you want. This is, to me, like, this is prime real estate. I'm so excited. So we are going to be here for the next 5 days. I cannot wait to stay here. I cannot wait to experience this, and we can't wait to take you guys along with us. So be sure to check out all of our videos from this trip, and of course all of our other trips as well. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, of course, let us know if you've stayed here and what your favorite resort at Walt Disney World is. We would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like what we're doing. Hit that like button as well if you like what we're doing, and that bell notification so that you get notified every time we release a video on Mondays and Fridays. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse.